Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how I make my akara, Nigerian akara. This is something we make. This is like a breakfast people use for breakfast over there. So if you do find this video interesting, please subscribe. Alright, so this is what I'll be using today. This is the beans. It's called black eyed peas. That's what this is right here. Alright, so I have a video about how I peel this off, so you can just go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link where you can do that. So anyway, so I'll be using these right here. This is onions, of course. This is the pepper. I'm using this red pepper for color. And this is the twist right here. I'll be using these. Alright, and of course salt. That's all you need, not a whole lot of stuff. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to steam our shrimp. First thing we're going to do. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil in our pan. Okay, so our pan is nice and hot, so now I want to throw in our shrimp. Anyone can make this, guys, boys, all guys and girls. You can do this to impress, if you want to impress someone, cook at home. Now is a really hard time to go out to eat, so these are ideas that you can do at home. Things you already have in your household. Shrimp, beans, just wash it up. Now we're going to add, saute a little bit of salt in it. That's all you need. So we're going to let it cook for like 7 minutes, okay guys? 7 minutes, and do not overcook it. Shrimp is really hard, it's really easy to cook. Alright guys, so if there's any guys out there watching, just try this for your lady friend or your wife. Just think out of the box for a moment, and I guarantee you she will like it. Okay guys, so this is done now, so we're gonna take this out and set it aside and move on to something else. You know, so this is just something I wanted to let you guys know. So this is my own twist of trying to make my akara in a different way. We're going to add a little bit of water before blending. Alright guys, so this is what you want to get. This creamy, you see how creamy that looks? That's what you're looking for. Alright, so now we're going to blend the leftover that we have. Time we're going to add our pepper, a little bit of water, with the other one. Now we're gonna mix them together now. That creaminess of it. This is the consistency of what you need to see, guys. If you're gonna do this the right way. Okay guys, so now the interesting part of this whole video. So now it's time for us to fry our akara. Okay, so of course you're gonna need your oil, which I already have in my pot. We're gonna heat it up real nicely. At the same time, we're gonna start prepping these things together, what we're gonna need to put them together. Okay, so we will now mix all of these things together. First thing you will need, this is our onions. We're gonna throw that in there. We're gonna throw in our shrimp. We're gonna add our salt to taste. That is all you need. And then you mix together thoroughly thoroughly. So the whole point is when you fry it, the shrimp is going to be right in the middle of it. So when you bite into that, oh God, it's so good, so good. So give it a try, guys. Give it a try. Alright guys, so now let's see if our oil is ready. Let's try it just a little bit here and see if it's ready. Okay, once it rises up, you know it's ready. Lower the heat. Fry it until you see it looking golden brown. Okay, our first batch is almost done. See how beautiful that looks. This thing is enormous. This is big. But it's so good. It's so good. Okay, my people. So these ones are now ready. When you bite into these things, it's like it's going to be crunchy in your mouth. And especially when you taste that shrimp in between, oh my God, it's just making my mouth watery talking about it just now. OMG. Let's take out these. Lovely, lovely, lovely. These are good for parties. These are good for breakfast. These are good for snacks. Grab and go if you're on a run. We're gonna start our next one. So leave your comment down below. Try it and tell me how yours came out. Let's talk about it. It doesn't have to be perfect the first time you do it. You make it. Keep trying until you get it right. Okay guys, so now we are done frying our akara. Okay, so this is what the final product looks like. Okay, so now let me show you. They just cut it up so you can see the inside. See, this is it right here. This is the shrimp. Okay, so anyway guys, if you love this video, if you like this video as much as I love making it, just thumb the video up, share with your family and friends, and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.